probably hear it daily. Chris, if only there were a bunkhouse travel trailer under 35 feet that also had an outside bar. Oh my goodness. If only maybe somebody like Coachmen would have come out with something like that. Oh yeah, you know we got it like that. Welcome to the all-new Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite. This is the 246 BARV or BARV. Why? Because right here on the outside, you have yourself a beautiful entertaining area with USB power, a serving table, as well as a, as I like to call it, the ice cream serving window. But more importantly, now you can take the best aspects of the outside and inside and put them together. And speaking of the inside, let's walk up the solid steps and let's see this bad boy. Okay, my kitchen, my living area, my extremely versatile work area. Oh yeah, and you see that? Hang with me, I'm gonna get to that here in a minute. But this is also a bunkhouse. So yes, you have yourself some bunks back here. I'm gonna get there in a second. And you got yourself a bathroom with its own separate access point, and you even have a front-facing kitchenette. Love what they did with this design. More importantly, they gave you a bunkhouse that's completely different. You got a private sanctuary with a 60 by 80 queen-size bed, privacy window there, and the best part about it is, all of it under 35 feet. And this is actually where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start right here in this kitchen. Now, what I love what they did here was they put the kitchen in the forward-facing wall. That gives you some pretty good storage. The negative to that is you usually won't have the extended storage like you would if the kitchen were over here on the campsite. But I got entertainment and more storage here. I'm gonna get to there here in a minute, just hang with me. But I like how they gave me the frosted glass inlay in my cabinets here. And new for this year, check it out, microwave. Why? Because so many manufacturers have put in the air fryer microwave, so you kind of lose the regular microwave. But it's a great combination of convection, air fryer, and microwave all in one. What Coachmen did was they decided to give you an awesome air fryer oven. So yes, you can do the air frying. You also got the standard oven down here, as well as a 3-burner cooktop. For somebody that's looking to sleep, let's say 4 people, because that's what this one will accommodate, this setup to me was awesome. They also gave me some very nice little features and fixtures. I mean, when you're talking about the Apex Ultra-Lite, that's what you're gonna get. Got that oil bronze on my pull-down sprayer. Check out my awesome undermounted sink with the cutting board cover. Big fan of that, especially since it's pressed surface countertops, rounded edges, and if I need some more prep, bam, I got myself the extendable countertop. All the drawers, full extension on drawer guides, loving that. Got me a spot for some storage down beneath here. The only thing I would have liked to have seen here is maybe a cutout so I could put a trash can there. But I at least have storage under the sink. My fridge is over here on the off-camp side. This is the Furion 12-volt, 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. Great for those long weekends. And the thing I really like about this one is if you're a couple or a family, you got the space to accommodate, because right beside that, my refrigerator is going to be my love seats with the 10-inch console. Just look how thick and plush these are, man. This is ridiculous. Here, let me just take a seat so I can show you. Okay, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't want to get up now. I've been traveling all day, and this is extremely comfortable. And the fact that I have the kick-out recliner in this one too, oh yeah. Look, I open up this window here, I open up that window over there. I'm gonna have myself a awesome cross breeze, but more importantly, when I want to take a look at what's outside, look at the space that I have here. Now, this is where I started really getting excited for this unit. Love what they did, giving me a dining space that also doubles as a working space. I could fit 4 people in there if I wanted to, even though there's 3 chairs here, but it's gonna be tight. So that might be an issue if you do have 4 people here. But if you need this to be workspace, you got the window there. You also have this pull-down shade. But when it comes time to watching the TV or doing the entertaining, I got my big old TV on the swivel here. I got me some storage beside it. And yes, when 5 o'clock calls and you just get finished taking that Teams meeting right here, looking at either the kids playing at the campsite or maybe you're at the beach, whatever it may be, you can reach over here to the Contour mini wine fridge and boom, get yourself a beverage. They even gave me some storage up above. And of course, if you're going to make this a workspace, you probably should have a calendar, right? So yeah, Coachmen decided to give you a little nice acrylic calendar right here. Dry erase, put the stuff on there that you need. All in all, the space right here, midship of the BARV is awesome. And the fact that they call it the BARV is also pretty awesome. And you got to remember, this is also a coach that's only 32 feet 3 inches, 6,500 pounds dry, with some bunks in the rear. And I got to show you these. Check this out. Now, what I liked about this was they gave me the privacy curtain. No sound dampening, but that's okay. Once again, I can fit in the state parks if I need to. But take a look at the single over single bunks. This one here actually lifts up a little bit with the gas strut arm. Love that. Got a window down there. Got a big old window in the back. Some storage over here on the back wall as well. I wouldn't say that's linen closet, but you could absolutely fold some clothes and put it in there. But across from my bunks is going to be a little versatile station. This can be the kids' game room. This could be their own dining space. This is what I was saying when, you can't fit the 4 over here in my true dining area. But if I wanted to put the kids' lunch here or the kids' dinner here, they could turn this from dinner into the gaming center in a heartbeat because they got the TV backer there, the cable connections, and this folds down and goes away so that if you need more additional space or just more room, you have that option to do it. To me, that's an awesome touch of versatility. They even gave me some nice little touches right here in my bathroom. Just take a look at the press surface countertop. I got that angled oiled bronze vanity sink right there. I got the mirrored medicine cabinets. Pretty good space there. But the fact that they gave me 2, I'm a big fan of, because a lot of times in family RVs, you don't have a lot of space in the medicine cabinet. So this could be for all the stuff you need to take with you. This could obviously be for linens as well if you wanted to. You do have some storage down beneath as well. Pretty good space right there. And right above my little high-rise foot flush toilet right here, look, you got even more storage. So kudos to the Coachmen folks for giving me some good space, more importantly, maximizing the space. Hangers for my towels there. Vent and fan right here. Access point right here. Great if you have the kids, or more importantly, you coming back from the beach or the hike or whatever, you can come in here, get cleaned up, and now you're not tracking stuff through your gorgeous BARV. And I'm going to be stuck on BARV for a long time. Glass enclosed shower, herringbone pattern. This looks to be a 30 by 36. And check me out. Got the oil bronze oversized handle there. Oil bronze controls. Got the big old skylight right there. And what does it look like when I'm in it? Okay. Let's see. Let's go above. So I'm 6'2". And I got plenty of headroom, as you can see. In a coach this size, having this much room and versatility really is a calling card. But if you're the ones that are picking it up, where's going to be your sanctuary? Come check this out. And look, to take you to that private sanctuary, I'm just going to redo the walk here. Look at this gorgeous, spacious area for your 246 BARV. And yes, you got to have the bottle opener because it is a BARV. Look what we got right here. Boom, the Alpine portable speaker. What's cool about this is you also have the USB plug, so that can give you some charging. But if you want to go outside, you want to go take a hike, go to the beach, whatever, bam, you got a chance to take this off, throw it in your backpack and go. And right here is going to be your command panel too. This is where you come to check your battery, your fresh tanks, run out your slide as well as your awning, cut on your water pump, and then a solid pocket door that is framed off at the top separates this coach from the private sanctuary. 60 by 80 queen size bed, windows on both sides, mirrored wards on both sides, with storage up top as well as a privacy window. And I got the curtain pulled down right now just to give us, some light dampening so you wouldn't get washed out while I'm in here. But I like how they gave me the actual shades, not those little pleated pull downs. You actually have a shade. And you see that kind of silver backer on the back? That's going to reflect light to help keep this coach a little bit cooler. But what's super cool, underneath your 60 by 80 queen size bed is some versatile, awesome storage that also has these little bench pads. So if you want to sit down, maybe tie your shoes, look at the drawer space that you have on both sides. Love how they did this. Great for linens, whatever you want to do. And then if you want to put your foot up here and do some tying, you can. But take a look at the headroom that I have underneath this queen size bed. This could absolutely just be a prep area. I like the versatility. I like the space. I got cubbies behind both wards with power as well as pull out drawers on the front. Got a TV backer up here. This is one of those ones that to me, they checked all the boxes for making camping functional, but more importantly, they're also making it fun. But let's talk about the outside real quick. Come on. Would you just look at it? Okay, love the automotive windshield that we have up front. Camp conveniences, I got me a power tongue jack with the LED light, twin 20-pound LP tanks, battery rail, all seated on that oversized, extremely sturdy frame. Now you'll see too, probably down here just a little bit. You see this little material right here? That is the enclosure for the underbelly of your 246 BARV. Got the mini diamond plated rock guard, got that LED backlight. I don't know if you can see that there because it's so bright out here, but very nice LED running lights, extra wide seal on the sides, Superflex roof over the top, extra large awning with the LED light strip. And right here, look at the size of this pass-through storage door. Now, you do have a 400-watt solar panel on this bad boy, so solar charge controllers there. This is actually the TV boxes. I wanted to leave these in here so you could kind of get a glimpse of just how big this storage is. Another good shot right here. That is your Aluma cage construction. Now, the way Coachmen makes their coaches, you got the aluminum frame body, you got the foam core insulation, and everything is vacuum bonded. So that's 120 pounds per square inch of pressure for about 40 minutes to seal this coach together. 80% tint on my windows, solid steps, tempered glass door, the bar. Look, it even says it right here. BARV. This isn't an RV, it's your BARV. So when I used to talk about my nice camp bourbons with my 2-finger pours, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Extra wide stance on my double axles down there with the aluminum rims. You'll see right here, that extra wide berth right there, that's gonna help get this coach a little bit more stability while going down the road. It'll be a little bit of a smoother pull. That is the back of your furnace. You got a 15K BTU main AC and a 13.5 BTU AC inside the bedroom. Another tempered glass door, stabilizer jacks on the front and the rear, 4x4 sewer hose storage here, backup camera prep, 50 amp plugs right there. You'll also see your black tank flush. I like how I got the warm groove slide on this one. You are prepped for some slide toppers if you want it, but just take a look, man. That right there is that little bunk area. So right here is your kitchen area with the refrigerator. Got the little love seats right there, the recliners. The back of your tankless water heater. It's a 48K BTU tankless water heater. Your fresh tank fill, and of course, the info panel. Dry, we're looking at 6,500 pounds. Gross, you're looking at 7,800 pounds. The difference is gonna be in the cargo carrying capacity. But at 32 feet, 3 inches, can easily sleep 4. I gotta tell you, if I'm an active couple that just needs some additional storage space, or I'm the family, I only got 2 kids because you can only sleep 4 in here, this is gonna be a good one for you to check out. But if you're the grandparents, or you wanna go visit the niece and nephews, you just want a space for when the kids come, they got a place to sleep and hang out. But more importantly, maybe you wanna take those work calls on the road and have yourself an indoor-outdoor bar. The Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 246 BARV is probably going to be my favorite RV of the year. But leave me a comment down below and let me know, what did you think? What'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Is this functional? Is this something that you would use yourself? I would love to hear from you. And of course, if you found this useful, like, subscribe, and notify. And if you're saying, Chris, I'm skipping all of that, I need the BARV, rv.campingworld.com, or just come on into your local Camping World. I'm Chris Young. Hope you enjoyed the Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 246 BARV. I sure as heck did. My only question is, where's the ice?